Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change the color of an object in Adobe Photoshop. Here, this is the car image I have opened up to be used as this example for this project. Suppose you want to change the color of this car from dark purple to red for that matter. Also note that this color applying technique won't work on black and white objects as they won't absorb the color property. Okay, so first thing you have to do is come up to the toolbar on your left side here. All the way at the bottom there's this foreground color. I have set it to red. To change this you have to just click on it, and from the color picker you can just choose any color you want. Suppose let's make it green. So I'm just setting this to green and hit OK. Once this is done, you have to just there are a couple of ways to do this. I'll show you a more quicker way. You can come up to the fourth tool here in the toolbar, which is the quick selection tool. Once you click on it, there are two tools. One is magic wand tool. Suppose if it's set to magic wand tool, you have to just click and hold. It will give us two options. One is the magic wand tool and the other one is the quick selection tool. Choose the quick selection tool and come up to the properties here. You can set the size of the brush of the selected area you want to set. This is the brush diameter. Once that's done, just click and hold the mouse on the colored section and it will start taking up the selection in that particular direction. Suppose if it has come outside the margin of the color, you can do is hold down Alt, and what it does is as you can see from plus the icon has changed to minus. It will subtract that selection if you click and drag while holding down Alt on the keyboard. Once you release it, it will come back to plus. So I'm just holding down Alt and just removing the unwanted parts. Then you can continue to further select the area. Here again I'm holding down Alt to remove the unwanted selection. Once this is done, suppose just let's change this part for now, the side one. Once you have selected the area, come to the edit menu and click on fill. Let the contents to be foreground color, set to foreground color, which is our green here, and let the blending mode to be set as color. For you it may be normal. In default cases it is normally set to normal, but you have to change it to all the way at the come at the bottom. Here is the color option. Once you have that set, let the opacity to be 100% as it is and hit OK. As you can see, that side has changed to green. Now suppose I'll show you one more other way to do this. For the front section, you can just come up to the this brush tool here. You can hit B on keyboard, that's a shortcut, and you can set the size of the brush here. I'll just set it to 30 pixel, and here is the again you have to change the mode. If the color mode is set to default normal, you have to come up here and click, and at the bottom there is the color option. Once this is set, you can first hit Command D on your keyboard or Control D on Windows and Command D on Mac to deselect the area which was just selected. Now as you have your brush tool selected and the color mode, blending mode set to color, you can just click and drag that area as it's absorbing the green color. This is one more way. If it's this is helpful if you have to just color the edges area. It would be difficult for you to select it with the quick selection tool. I have skipped the video guys, so you didn't have to wait as I did the coloring to the edges. So this is how the final product will look like once you have changed the color using the blending mode color option. So I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, guys. Please do leave your comments or ask any questions.